kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the one of my video series on app to app voice calling using Firebase and Sinch SDK. Okay guys, so in this video I will be creating a new project, and also I will be giving you a demo of how we will create the app and how we can use the Sinch SDK to call into the app to app calling, okay. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here you can see that I have this my Sinch uh, project here, and here also I open this my Sinch inside my another device. This is my Samsung C7 and it is my Q mobile. Alright, and here you can see all the members are listed here. Okay, so they are connected, they have the data inside the Firebase database, and here I am populating the recycler view, and inside that all the users are here. Okay, so this user has the name is Harun and this username is Hamza. Okay, so Harun will now try to call Hamza, so I will click on call, and here you can see that the call is being here, and here we have two buttons, either to pick or reject. Okay, so if I click on reject, and here you will see that okay, call ended. Alright, so let's try to click here and let's try to call Harun, and here I am going to call this user, and here you can see that this user, and here you can see ringing. And now if I click on pick, and now both the devices are connected and they now can talk with audio app to app audio calling. Alright guys, and now if I click on reject, so now you can see the call ended on side the both devices. Alright guys, so I will also try to make this beautiful app with sign up and sign in features. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can see my project here. Let me first of all, okay, so here you can see I have this login activities and the register activity, then I have this call screen activity, but I have not used that. Then we have some models and then the adapters. Okay, so I will create a full-fledged app, and after we successfully create all the steps in this project, and then we will move towards the video calling, app to app video calling, just like WhatsApp or Skype. Alright, so let's first of all start a new project, and I have this Android Studio 2.3.3. so if you have a newer version, so you just need to, okay, so I will tell you where you need to change the coding. So here let's name it as app caller Firebase. Okay, then we need to click on next, then click on next, and now click on finish. Okay, alright, so here is we have the error, so we need to create this project inside our another directory. I think that I have deleted the directory, so let's now let me put that into here, and let's change this name to audio caller. Click OK. And click on next, and finally you click on finish. Okay guys, so I hope that you have an idea of how we will be creating the app using Firebase and also the Sinch SDK. Okay, so guys, wait for my next video, and we will basically start, and we will as we have already created the project, so we will first of all create the Firebase app on the Firebase console, and then we will create an app on the Sinch SDK console. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.